Forgetting to add drywall backing during framing is like setting yourself up for a headache that'll cost you time and money down the road. So, when you skip drywall backing, the edges of your drywall don't have anything solid to grab onto, which means nails or screws can't hold well. This usually leads to cracks forming right where the drywall seams are, and nobody wants walls that look like they're falling apart. Plus, without backing, it's way tougher to get a smooth finish because the drywall might flex or pop out. If you realize this problem after the drywall is up, you either have to rip parts of the wall back open or add extra nailers from the front, which is a major hassle. To avoid this, always double check your framing plans and make sure nailers or blocking are in place where drywall edges will meet. Another tip is to mark these backing spots clearly while framing so no one forgets. And if you're not confident in your framing skills, it's cool to ask a pro to help or at least inspect before drywall gets installed. One of the biggest mistakes with drywall backing is just plain forgetting to put it in, which leads to weak wall edges and cracking drywall joints. The fix? Add blocking between studs at all edges before hanging drywall. Another common slip-up is using backing that's too thin or not sturdy enough, which doesn't hold fasteners properly. Make sure you use solid wood that's at least 1.5 inches wide. The third issue is not planning for electrical boxes or openings, causing gaps in backing that weaken those areas. Fix this by installing extra blocking around boxes so drywall has a firm surface all around. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know their stuff, making sure projects like framing and drywall go smoothly without surprises. For contractors, it's a great way to get connected with real homeowners looking for reliable pros to handle their big home projects.